welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tuesday, August 1st. It's the first day of the month. Putting on some hand cream. This is the Dior hand balm. Anyways, I am so excited. Johnny and I are going on our little anniversary trip. We always take a little trip every year, whether it's like away or local. This year we're doing something local that I've always wanted to do, so I'm so excited. I have my nails done. I just did this basic gel mani last night. The past few days have been really hectic. There was a lot going on between the get together and then this trip, and we had some other stuff going on in between, so I decided to do this basic mani last night. I was like, I'm just gonna do my regular nails because I don't have time. Because yeah, doing the other nails would have taken another like 30 minutes or so, so I just did this instead. Yeah, I think it looks cute. I did the red. I actually enjoy having short nails. I just prefer the look of longer nails, but short nails makes life a lot easier, to be honest. Like, there's been a few things I've done over the past 24 hours. There's been a few things I've done in the past 12 hours, and I'm like, wow, I actually really like having these short nails. Anyways, we're going to the Getaway houses. They are, I'm sure you guys have seen them before. They're really popular on Instagram or just in general, but they're little cabins that are in different woods areas in the country. So we're going to one in Catskills, New York. I think we're going to East Catskill. I can't remember. There's one location in West Catskill, and then there's one location at East Catskill, and I can't remember which one I picked, but we're going to one of those locations in New York for the next few days. I'm really excited. I wanted to do this for a while, and we're finally getting to do it. And today's actually like cool. Like, it's not really too hot, so that's really nice. It's also Johnny's birthday today, his actual birthday, so that's fun. We get to go on his birthday. But yeah, I'm excited, you guys. Like, I can't believe I'm finally doing this. I wanted to for literally since the pandemic. I think I've had this on my bucket list, and the main reason why I didn't go away is because, as you know, I am on a weight loss journey, diet situation, and I really didn't want to go somewhere where I would feel like I was missing out on the food. I don't want to go somewhere and not be able to eat like whatever I want, you know, and try all the different foods. I feel like I'll do that when I'm where I need to be, because I didn't want to mess up so early in our journey, because that's usually what happens, and then we end up falling back. So I'm excited. I'll show you guys pieces of the journey. I'm not gonna vlog everything, but I'll show you guys pieces here and there so you can experience it, and I can have memories, because I love the memories. Even if I vlog, I love having these little memories. I did put my hair up in a bun, and I really like it. You know, the half shaved head look? I feel like that's what I'm wearing, because like this half is, you know, the heart, and then this half has the braids. I'm wearing my Lululemon set. I have the jacket, the cami. I love this. I need other colors. The Align thingy, I love it. And then I'm wearing the Align pants. Hopefully no one gets tired.
Busy, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy.
Oh, I think this is Tia Mori's line. You by Tia.
I have a question.
The line right here. Yeah. Okay. We're getting the essentials. I needed
Pre-wash booster.
Oh.
That's kind of fun.
I needed makeup remover, so I got cotton rounds and I got micellar water. And this is from Target. We're at Walmart now. And we needed some ice, so we got some ice as well. We need to get soap. Forgot soap. These cups are nice, but I want like a clear one.
Or this one.
That's a lot.
I like this one. I'll definitely use this. That's the bun. But look, this part though, I mean, it could wash the same way a straw would.
Yeah.
And
I'm just confused about the cow.
I mean, people love
Cows.
cows.
Yes,
We love hamburgers,
that's true.
hot dogs, you know.
So we're just grabbing some utensils and got a couple.
I don't know why I'm trying to fix this. It's not mine.
And
I'm trying to fix it.
these glasses here. These are really cute. And I got a blender because we forgot our blender at home.
I got a cup.
We don't put that cow back.
This one is actually
And
nice,
then
though.
this
My
cup.
grandmother would like that one.
You think so?
Yeah, nice. Beautiful colors.
Yeah.
I like that one. I'll walk into school with that.
Okay. Yeah, I think these are really nice. And they're like $2 each.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
You see, well, look at the beverage.
Well, you made it. I hope to catch you on the road again.
Over here?
Yeah.
Why she didn't tell me? I ain't know.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Hold on.
We made it to Getaway, Catskill, New York. Slow down. Okay, let me see the map thingy. It's definitely people.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
People outside.
Yeah, people chilling.
Wow.
This is like glamping at its finest. They're all nice.
This one here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Loopy.
Right there.
So this is our cabin. Where? Oh my god, we got a little cabin. I didn't realize they were gonna have like string lights. So ours has string lights. We're in Loopy. So cute. A little table. We got the chairs. So nice. And then the little grill. The hammock. So cute. Should have got like a blanket. I forgot. We should get a blanket somehow. Campfire kit. Cool. Oh, they have like some utensils and stuff.
Good. So we overpacked. But you know, you can never overpack too much because
Yeah.
you don't know.
Okay. Nice. So cute in here.
You got cutlery too, Jeff.
They do.
Yeah.
And little radio.
They got the fire start, the lighters.
Yeah, it is.
Shower here. Oh, nice. This is beautiful.
Let's go. This is the bathroom. You have where's the light?
Now we only use natural.
Natural light.
But look, Jazz, they have all the cups and everything. You know how we packed, we weren't sure?
Oh, they have everything?
Yeah, I mean, they have tea, hot chocolate. This is nice.
Okay, so it's kind of loud in here, the fan, but this is the bathroom, toilet, and then shower. Yeah, we have a shower, shampoo, conditioner, little window, see outside, toilet. Kind of loud because of the fan up here, but I'll turn that off. This is the little welcome guide. So it says our favorite spots to explore, price list here, and then a little guide. Cool. Cell phone box, s'mores kits. This is so fun. Little chair. This is the bed and the storage under, so you could like put your luggage in. And then what's this? Is this more storage? I don't know what this is. Not sure what this is. This is so cute. I am loving it. A little mirror. Like, how cute is this, you guys? And then we have the bed. They do have a little fire alarm. Lights. The windows, is a window here and then a big window here. This is stunning. Like, I'm excited for this. This is so cute. I cannot wait to spend the next few days out here and be glamping. Glamping at its finest. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit earlier. Jacket and a line tank, and then my line leggings. I'll stand over here so you can see it's not like a black background, but yeah, it's my outfit for today. It's kind of chilly actually today. Temperature today is really nice. It's 78 for the high, so it's probably like 75 right now. So it's really nice out. Like, it's the perfect weather for this. It's not too hot where you can't sit outside. Like, it's really good temperature and it's not raining, so that's great. They also have a little light. I guess you can use this inside or maybe outside as well, I'm not sure. but we do have to unpack the car. I did book a secluded cabin, so we're facing just the woods. Some of the cabins are facing like the inside. I don't know if that makes sense, but there's cabins like right in here where it's not as secluded because like we can see them, but I feel like they can't really see us the way we can see them. And then there's also this one which also looks to be secluded, but I think I've seen this little thing on the other cabins that I drove by. Maybe we just didn't drive by the ones with the string lights, but I think it's really cute.
Put whatever you want in and then right out. It's not hot.
So Johnny's backing up the car into the little driveway, and then we're gonna bring in our goodies. I'm gonna do a little Walmart haul to show you guys what I got at Walmart. Some of the stuff I got yesterday, and so Johnny's outside trying to start the fire and get that going, but let's do a little Walmart haul. Also, this camera is a little crooked. I don't know why it's crooked, but hopefully you guys can, hopefully it's not too distractful. I feel like I showed most of what I got while we're, hold on. Okay. I got a little light skylight thing for nighttime. I don't know, really cute. We did pick up a blender because we forgot our blender. I was supposed to bring the Beast blender to make smoothies and I forgot it, so we brought a blender for that. And we brought some like frozen strawberries, but there's no freezer. There's a fridge, so I'm gonna put that in the fridge. But I packed some stuff in this bag. I'll show you guys over here. All right, y'all, so we have some stuff that I brought. We ordered Instacart yesterday and ordered some stuff like chicken. So we're gonna do this tonight so that way we can cook it and then have it in the fridge because there's no freezer. Still pretty cold from earlier. We got some fruit, so just like a tray of mixed fruit. Let me show y'all. This is like just mixed fruit. It has like cantaloupe, mango, kiwi, grapes, strawberries. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So got some watermelon. This is for a smoothie recipe I saw. I'm gonna put those in the fridge as well. These are the frozen strawberries. They're just gonna be cold. I'll put this in the, so put these in the fridge. Oh, there is a little freezer, I guess. Put it on the maximum so that way it stays really cold. Okay. And then some yogurt. This is also for the smoothie. I saw the recipe on 𝐓𝐿's website. Got some butter. And a couple bags of salad. The fruit just down here. We got a couple bottles of green juice for the next few days. We got some mayo because I thought we could make BLTs. So, and then some bacon, some lettuce. So I'm gonna bring the chicken out so we can grill that and get started. And then we also got some water. Walmart, like I said, I showed you guys most of what we picked up at Walmart while we were at Walmart. It's actually a little loud in here. Let me turn this off. Maybe. Okay. The air is really loud in here, so sorry about that. But at Walmart, we just got some essentials. I'm gonna put these cups out. I think they're really cute. So we just got 2 of these, and they were really affordable. It's Walmart, so you know they were pretty affordable. So I got these. I'll just put these on the counter. And we got a little first aid kit just in case, you never know. We got a little first aid kit. We just got some soap because we needed like little soaps. I got Old Spice, and then I got Native, some floss. Oh, Johnny got this colorful fire thing. We thought that would be fun, so we'll do that. And then I got this headband because I got this bonnet because it's a really big one and I needed one of these. I really hope this one does not have the string that you need to tie because I hate that. So yeah, I got this at Walmart. And Johnny got a little scalp massager. I was gonna get one, but I wanted a pink one, so he got this. He wanted one of those. Then just got some good wipes. We just wanted to make sure that we had everything, and then the other stuff that's in here I already showed you guys. So yeah. Oh, we have some more stuff. So this is Johnny's fire. I have no idea how he did it. He's a fire master.
The master. The lighter.
The lighter did it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have some stuff here. I forgot to show you guys. We also have some non-fridge items. Alright, this camera's on 3% and my other battery is not charged yet. So I'm just going to do this quick little haul, charge my batteries, and I'll talk to you guys a little, and I'll talk to y'all a little later. But I just have some napkins. I kind of just stole these from the party yesterday. I got some paper plates. This is the coconut water I was talking about earlier, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Got some bread. This is rosemary sourdough. I figure we could use that for the BLTs. And then we got some tomatoes, a little chicken marinade so we could marinate the chicken, some Ziploc bags, some champagne. Yeah, I can't really drink, not drinking, so we got some Martinelli. Should have gotten the fake wine from Whole Foods, but we didn't go to Whole Foods, we did Wegmans. So we just got some Martinelli for our little bubbly drink. Or we could have did kombucha as well, but I figured this would be nice. And then I packed the scissor just in case. But they have scissors here, so I don't need it. And then a lemon. That's also for the smoothie. So I'll put our scissor here. That's all the food we brought. Pretty sure. I think that's it. Put this in the fridge right here. And then we can put this like I'm gonna marinate the chicken with this and then some salt, pepper, and that should be good.
Oh, snap. Looks good. Want to do the things? You got them? Oh, you got them. Nice. Fashion. Probably. Yeah, that's my orange color. Got it the other way though. Yeah, like that. You know, I wonder though if we could put the just put the chicken on and like cook slow. Get this one. Oh, I'm from Kingston, New York. I got this.
this is our favorite spots to explore, and I thought it was really funny because the first two are waterfalls, and I think we could probably visit one of them. Well, this one's a trail, and the first one, so we have a waterfall, a trail, and then the last one here is Hannaford, which is the grocery store. But it's kind of funny because that's the same one in Johnny's town, because Johnny's from like around here, kind of. And it's just funny that that's on the list of their favorite places to explore. Anyways, and then they also have this cheese place. It has like antiques and gourmet treats, as well as cheeses, and then also the brewing company. So this is cute. Johnny's cooking the chicken. The chicken. We're gonna have salad, chicken salad. I guess.
Yeah, that was good. Put the fork in it. Go ahead.
Thanks. Yeah. We're gonna do s'mores time for dessert. It's dessert o'clock. I saw a stick somewhere. I don't remember where.
Stick? Oh yeah.
I'm having one s'more because this marshmallow, one marshmallow is 50 calories, you guys. Like, what the heck?
Alright.
Blow it out.
It'll start burning quick. That's the thing. This is sugar. You don't want to touch it to the ash though. Chewing on wood. I've been experienced. I wanted to make s'mores in the wilderness. It's a chop. So then you go like this, right? Yours is probably good. It looked like it's melty, yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
Good.
Good, right?
This chocolate is better than Hershey's.
Yeah, it is. It is. I was gonna make a weird face, and then I thought about your subscribers, and I was like, you know what? You get normal. So they're gonna think I'm crazy.
Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
And also.
Get ready with me in a cabin. So we're gonna go hiking. Someone's throw on a little bit of sunscreen. I'm gonna use my Tatcha sunscreen.
Well, I have to do stuff back here.
Yeah.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Where they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Manor house in Rosewood, 2 plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Gotta move on my release day, huh? This is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing fun players, giving you my number.
Dengue, or West Nile virus.
Dengue.
Dengue, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah, cut that out.
Cut that out?
Cut that out. I need nobody knowing I don't know what that is.
The amount of times I said stuff I did not know. People be like, that is not how you say that, girl. Alright, let's see. Alright. I'm gonna do this NARS bronzer today. The sound, what's that sound? You know what that sound is?
One underneath us?
Yeah.
Ventilation? I don't know. The hot water heater?
Oh, maybe.
Something like that? I don't know. It sounds like boiling water. Alright, come on, you good, you good. Who are you with the big dog? Feel me? That doesn't make me feel safe, right?
No, it doesn't.
I should like this barbecue. The wraps right here.
Yeah.
They're very handy. Now, tell me that chicken wasn't slamming though.
It was good.
It was good, right? Mm-hmm. It came out actually really good.
It did. It was like not crisp. It was like the right texture.
Yeah, it was almost like we baked it.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. Make sure you tell your subscribers that. All right, take two. Let's do it again. That chicken was slamming, right?
Wait, what's the difference between these two takes? It was really good.
It was.
I'm not gonna lie. The one size spray because we're gonna be out hiking, so I want to make sure nothing moves on my face. I'm using the lip oil from 𝐖𝐞𝐞. Guys, this is literally the only mirror that we have in here, the tiniest little mirror. Usually I have like some type of a compact that has a mirror, but none of the things I packed have mirrors. So like I have no powder with mirror, I have no blush or anything like that with a mirror. So thankfully they have this little thing. It's actually a shaven mirror for the bathroom. Yeah.
I used to like this spray. Come on. Conditioner spray.
A leave-in conditioner?
Yeah, balancing leave-in conditioner. Can't go wrong with that. Actually, I gotta read the directions on this. What do I do with this? But I think you can use it in the shower too.
I think usually, yeah, in the shower.
Yeah, it said dry or wet, but I think most likely I'm thinking it would work better in
In the shower.
Yeah, I would think so. Come on here, you see anything in there? Yeah, look, you don't care.
I did look.
No, you didn't. Anything bad?
No, just like the shiny stuff from the leave-in conditioner.
Let me see. Oh, you're shiny.
We are ready to go. Quick outfits.
Quick outfit. Husband. Designer husband.
Alright, got my little belt bag. Shirt button. This sweater because It's like it's in the 70s today, and also we're going in the forest. So, is it the forest or the woods?
Yeah, it's the woods.
The woods. So I don't want to get bit, and then I'm also wearing these pants.
I guess it's forest. It's technically forest.
Yeah.
It's all forest up here. I mean, it's just that we put towns there, you know.
Oh yeah, that's true. I guess we should bring water. I hate holding this. I'll hold one in the car, so after.
It's not a very long walk though.
It's not. I'll hold this in the car for after.
I think I went to Pellenville to used to go jump off of cliffs.
Oh yeah. Sounds about right.
I'm pretty sure it's the same, probably the same spot. Probably not the same spot. Around the same place.
Same place, yeah. I mean, it would make sense. It's close by to where
we used to go to Catskill. It's Pellenville. It was Pellenville.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to go to Pellenville to jump off of our cliffs.
How do I lock this?
You just shut it. Is it not locked?
No.
Probably.
That's what that's for. I was like, what is that chain for? All
Good.
right. Yeah. All right, we're off to the falls.
So there's no overarching like necessarily be There's only 0.3 miles there.
Okay.
So I mean that's close. We can do a bunch actually. Follow the yellow markers.
Okay.
Just follow the yellow for now. We'll just do but I think there's other trails that should be marked with other colors.
On the trail.
I thought it was a picture.
We're heading to go see the waterfall. Oh, pretty. So we saw the falls, and now we're gonna head to a different trail to see some more things.
This is where you gotta be careful.
Oh, this
Stay
is
on
where
here.
we gotta go back.
Nah, you go right here.
Right where?
Right here.
Okay.
Maybe down there. They're not playing. They're coming back though, so.
Is this where you get to see the overlook of the waterfall?
Yeah. It's just not deep path.
It's just not deep bad.
We gotta make sure though, we gotta remember, we gotta come all the way back over here. Oh, that's the climb pass.
Yes.
Oh my god. That's funny.
Look.
Oh, we're silly. Remember I was talking about this thing?
You were.
So we just went all the way around for no reason.
No, we went a shortcut.
A shortcut?
You did. We did go a shortcut.
Kind of.
There's the trail.
Here's the trail. Good?
You guys, we're going down this crazy set of stairs. We've been going downstairs for like 5 minutes. Probably even longer. 15 minutes? Yeah. And now we have to go back up these stairs. But we're trying to go see the falls a little closer. So, yeah. And I left my hiking boots by accident and took these sneakers.
Look where you're stepping.
Okay.
Funny?
It's funny. Yo, I almost passed out. I almost passed out walking back up these stairs. It's crazy. Whew. off to Walmart. We're gonna go pick up a little gadget at Walmart.
What, the grocery store this side?
Oh, you made it. I hope to catch you on the road again.
Alright, we're stopping at Barnwood Restaurant for lunch. Back in the crib, but we got a little projector to have movie night.
Yes, ma'am.
Johnny's gonna set it up. The
Hope this
remote.
has no batteries.
Oh my god.
You gotta be kidding me.
What kind of batteries does it need?
I'll go to the store. AAA. Or you trying to say we have something that we can take it out of? So either one is a charger, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ooh. Can you sharpen it?
Yeah. Let's see. To work. Definitely mini. You'd be surprised though. Some of these things be working.
Three.
You know this one though may not be that difficult. Even though it's 4 miles.
Yeah.
We'll see. I mean, it might not be. You know what I'm saying? Also, we don't have to do it. Yesterday, we don't have to go down the big steep. We
Path.
saw it from across. Remember? I kind of knew what I was getting into.
I did it.
You didn't?
No. I mean,
when I saw how high up we were, and I saw how low they were, I knew.
that's true. I should have thought of
I
that.
knew. There's gonna be some steps in between. Hang on. Ooh. It's 5 today, huh? Okay. A little fruit fly. That was fun though. The movie was nice.
Yeah, the movie was
It was
nice.
really nice. And the tripod, what? Yo, he's good. Getting away. Small fly. This is definitely inspiring. The fact that they have all of this in one little spot. But we... You ain't got no straw? So it's out there. I went through like 4 packets already.
2468?
Yeah, they charging for that. The log bundle is the expensive joint. They're talking about $8. Just so we can keep the fire going long today. When we get back, I'm gonna just start the fire big. You heard? Mm-hmm. I'm just keep it going.
It's Thursday. Johnny and I are cooking up breakfast. And we're gonna go on another hike in a different park. Hopefully I don't pass out this time. But yeah, we're just gonna make breakfast, and then we're having smoothies, and we're gonna take a BLT sandwich to the hike so we can eat when we get there. But we're going to the Haynes. Is it Haynes Falls or Haynes Park?
Haynes Falls.
Yeah, we're going to Haynes Falls today. So yeah, I'm gonna wear my other set, my purple set.
What's Beyonce's best album? Leave it down in the comments.
I personally,
I feel like your subscribers this would be a going for your subscribers.
I like. What's your favorite one, Johnny? Do you have a favorite?
Let me see.
I like B-Day, I think. B-Day. Wait. Yeah, I think I like B-Day. And I like 𝐼𝐴M Fierce, like that double album. Top 2 for me. Those are the albums where I know like most of the songs on. Like B-Day, I think I know every song. Probably 𝐼𝐴M Fierce, I probably know every song on there. And yeah, those 2.
I don't know. Oh, I know her best album.
Which one?
The Carter.
The
Carters.
The
Carters album.
Bye. Bye.
What was the album called? It was called Everything Is Love. Everything Is Love.
He's lying, y'all. He never even heard one song. He probably know like 2 songs on the album. The Carters.
Every move is on the news, ain't it? She don't even
bastard. The gray long sleeve I was saying.
Okay.
Because I can be ready in 5 minutes.
Oh, we just gotta do the lettuce. Should be good.
All of them have a different shape, but all of them is the same in the end. It's about sensitivity. There's love of humanity. That's the love that is right now needed more. Love of humanity. It's like,
Finish right on.
Breathe it in? What is it?
Setting spray.
As well?
Setting spray, but it's such a closed, a small room that I love to open the door. Here's my outfit. Alright, so we are ready for our hike. I'm wearing this Lululemon and my hiking boots today and my little purse. And that's it. That's my outfit, and I need to fix my hair, but we are ready to go. Today we're doing Mary Glenn's Trail, which is this one right here. Did she circle that?
I don't know. Oh. Camping sites, faculty. Hold up. I don't know. We might miss something. So you say camping sites. You have the map though. Are you looking?
There you go. Oh.
It's nice though.
So we're starting this trail. This is we have to do 0.26 miles in here to get to the trail that we're actually going on. And I guess the red signs are the foot trail.
Yeah, we stay on the red signs.
Okay.
And then we'll get to Mary Glenn's and then.
Okay.
I'll go right behind this and fling back.
Okay.
Come up.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no bears in here.
Oh yeah, that would be terrible. But if so, I'm gonna get big and try to scare it. You just gotta back up slowly.
So we don't run though.
I mean, we back up slowly, if anything.
Okay.
I mean, the first thing you gotta do is you back up slowly, but if it starts coming at you, you can't run. It runs like 30 miles an hour. Where are you gonna go? Must be it. Look at the steps there. Look like we go up that way.
Okay.
I'm sure we'll see a tree. You wanna go this one first?
No.
You don't?
I don't want to waste my breath.
Oh, I mean, this is easy. Feel the burn.
Feel the burn indeed. Yeah, this is crazy. I didn't know it was gonna be all of this.
I didn't either.
What kind of?
I don't even see where else to go.
There's a sign right here on that tree.
Where? Oh, so we go that way.
Okay.
Get my sent you a pic.
You're essentially.
I can send you a little.
It's vlogging. We made it up. We're almost at the point. We have 0.3 miles left to go. I think we did. How much would you say?
A lot.
A lot. Yeah, I don't know. We've been hiking for like
Not a lot.
over an hour.
For y'all hikers, but a lot for us.
It's been over an hour.
Yeah.
That's how we started.
That's the thing. I don't remember. What did we do?
Did you take a picture of anything?
I don't think mine counts it though.
It does.
Does it? Nah, I didn't. When you go up like this.
Oh, the picture of the map. The first map.
The first map.
What time we leave the house?
Picture the first map.
11. So we probably get here around 12.
So we got her at 12.
12:15 we probably started.
Yeah.
So it's almost 2 hours we've been hiking.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, 0.3 miles. Up we go. Woo. Okay. How? This way?
Yeah. Got it.
Wow. It's crazy. Wow, we made it to the top of the mountain. This is incredible. Super windy, but we made it to the top. You guys, look how high up we are. Like, you can't even tell, but we're so high up. Wow. Incredible. Whew.
Turn this way.
Time to eat.
Turn around. See the one behind it?
Wow.
That one's taller than this one, I think.
So we're gonna have lunch for our food.
That guy gave us the game. We want to go to the next level.
Hey y'all, so we're back in the room. Johnny's taking a shower, so it's kind of loud. We're back from the hike. I took my shower and I'm getting dressed. We're gonna go out to dinner tonight. Hold on, let me clean the lens because I feel like, yeah, I feel like it'll be a little, I feel like it's a little filthy after today. But we had a great time. It was definitely a workout. We did a 4-mile hike, 4.2 mile hike. And it was up mountain. Like, it was crazy. So it was definitely intense, but the view was so beautiful once you got up there. It was definitely worth it. And for sure a workout. I wish we had our Apple Watches, but yeah, it was really fun. We had a great time. When we got to the top of the mountain, we had our sandwiches, and then we spent like maybe 10 minutes up there and walked back down. So yeah, it was fun. But we're gonna pick a restaurant, go out to dinner, and enjoy the rest of the night. We're gonna come back home, probably do some more s'mores, watch another movie maybe, and since our last night. But yeah, it's been really fun. I feel like 3 days is enough to be out here, but it's really, really fun. And we're definitely enjoying every second of it. OOTD. But I have on my some flare jeans, this black top, and I'm wearing this bag. Pretty casual, so you know, just some jeans and a t-shirt. Alright, so let me throw on my little lip combo. I'm wearing the same one I wore earlier, which is Dior. This pencil, Charlotte Tilbury, and then I'm wearing this little Dior my outfit. You want to show your outfit, John?
My outfit? Alright. Hold up. Got my new kicks though.
Oh, they're in the
See
car.
these kicks? Yeah. Come on.
Oh.
What are these called? Nike's on.
I forget.
Metcon.
Metcon, yeah, that.
Yeah, the door. Yeah.
House, yeah. All right, so we are ready to go. On these outfits.
You know what I mean?
Okay, so we have to decide. One is called New York J&J Smokehouse Barbecue. It goes at 7. I mean, I don't know. The pictures look okay. And then we have New York Restaurant. It's just that I can't see the menu for New York Restaurant, so I have no idea.
You go to J&J.
I don't know. Kind of like New York Restaurant. Like the food, like, let me see if they have an Instagram.
Alright, so long.
We are leaving. So long. It's Friday morning. We are on our way out of the getaway. Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. Okay, so I didn't do my hair yet. So don't mind that. I'm wearing the pink Lulu set. My outfit, crop jacket, and my Align leggings. Real cute. We're gonna have brunch. So Johnny and I are gonna go grab brunch at a bakery or cafe called Bread Alone. It's in Woodstock, so we're gonna drive down about 40 minutes and then we're gonna have brunch there. And I don't know what we're gonna do after that. We may go straight home or we may go to his hometown because it's really close to Woodstock. So yeah, we'll decide. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, I'll see you on the road.